environmental science can be clouded with uncertainty. Emerging contaminants can create unforeseen challenges. Evolving regulations can lead to last-minute obstacles. And erosion of support can cause a lack of confidence in results. At Enthalpy Analytical, our scientists, analysts, and technicians provide world-class environmental laboratory testing services, from fugitive emissions and PFAS analysis to site remediation and groundwater investigations, leveraging perfected methodologies, state-of-the-art equipment, and unparalleled experience. Our network of facilities is strategically located across the United States and supported by a dedicated team of customer service professionals. Because we know you can't rely on yesterday's results to make tomorrow's decisions. Our experts view the industry standard not as the finish line, but as the starting point, going above and beyond to meet environmental testing needs, both routine and rare. We strive to deliver more than just a number, but a sense of certainty. Enthalpy Analytical, the science of certainty.